Hi, welcome Peter.
Thank you, Julian.
Thanks for coming down today to Clappers Lane, Gresford FC. Just a few questions about the history of Gresford and your history of Gresford Football Club. Firstly, tell me a little bit about your history with the club, please.
Well, it's as we were just briefly discussing, it's 50 years this month when I made my debut for Gresford Athletic. We were away at Portmadoc, who in those days were in the Welsh League, and I think it was a combination of a weekend away for the lads, but I was 15 and a half, played probably 150 games in the 70s right here, patrolling as the right full back up and down this side, kicking that way, and down that wing, kicking the other way, and had a wonderful time here. This was a very important part of the village and village culture and village community life in those days, combined with the cricket club, which used to be over there. And I was away for 3-4 years at college, but came back and played till I left for America. And fond memories every time I passed by here. Yeah. The pitch looked nothing like this, let me tell you.
It's very well manicured.
Oh, it's gorgeous. And there was certainly no grandstands, but those were great days.
Good. Well, yeah, like I say, Peter is over from Liverpool FC today for us. He's been a very nice, made some very good gestures to our club over the years. So with that, we've asked him to become our honorary president of our football club, which he's going to do. So we're very, very pleased with that. So yeah, thank you very much, Peter.
Thank you.
That.
Well, no, it's my pleasure, and this club and right here. It's such an important part of my life, and got me going really in football. And from here, I was a PE teacher, and from there, I left for America to come back to be the CEO of Liverpool Football Club. So life goes round in a big circle, but a lot of what I learned about football was right in front of us, right here, and I'll be forever in the debt of what Gresford Athletic did for me.
Good, thank you very much. We'll be indebted to what you've done for us over the last few years as well. Yeah, like it's changed a lot here now at the moment because we're playing the JD Cymru North division. We've got a new stand, a couple of years old now. The pitch is looking exceptional at the moment, pre-season. The players have just come back training. We've got Eddie Morris-Jones as manager and Steve Halliwell as director of football. We have a cracking committee, which you've met most few of them, I think, haven't you, over the time? So it's been really good. So things are moving for Gresford. So what holds the future for you then, Peter?
Well, Debbie, my wife, and I will be here for a while. We came over 3.5 years ago. I've done 3 seasons at the helm of Liverpool. They've been incredibly successful on the pitch, but with great pride off the pitch as well. The football club is positioned, structured, ready to take on the best in the world. I'd like to think we're the best football club in the world right now, and so job done for me, and time to head back to our family. We have 6 kids between us, all Americans that are back there in the United States, but I'll be back on a regular basis to watch Liverpool, and if it coincides with a game for Gresford on a Saturday afternoon, I'll be here, and I'll be playing the plough and go back to the Red Lion where I grew up.
You're very welcome.
Relive the old days.
Yeah, it's great. It'd be good to get you back one day, hopefully. Yeah, and congratulations on the work you've done for Liverpool Football Club. Everybody at the club's followed you, and my father's followed you over the years. He's a big fan of yours, and yeah, so it's a pleasure to have you here today.
Well, I'm honoured to be the honorary president. You'll continue to see me, and anything that the club needs that I can help them with, you know my number.
Thank you very much, Peter.
Cheers, Julian.
All the best.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.